Yes, sir. We in the fast boy car. Shit, when we come back, let it rip going that way. Damn, this shit. Oh my god, you making me want a fucking 335 now, man.
They're decent fucking cars. They got so much. They need so much fucking maintenance, man. It's not it's pretty close to victory, man.
I can't stop smiling, I ain't gonna lie. Hell yeah.
No, I didn't even see it.
Another single turbo E92. The boys making me want to get a 335, man. Yeah, they definitely making me want me to. What the fuck am I saying? Hell no.